I got you something.
Oh.
This is a present for all your amazing streams of threesomes.
I already know what this is.
No, you don't.
It better be.
No, you don't.
Yes!
Hello world, and welcome back to another
Vlog.
exciting vlog. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Also, this man hit
500,000 street. We're almost at 600,000. Adelia's getting tattooed by me. Yeah.
Follow his channel, Pearson's, Saxon's, Lyra's, Kristen's, Tyler's. Ooh, I have too many friends. I don't know what else to
Life's
do.
so hard having so many friends.
I know.
Be positive.
Be happy,
and
be-
be you.
Okay.
You know my slogan.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Watch your vlog, stupid.
And on that note, I'm out.
Let's get into this vlog.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I got Krusty Krab pizza on the way. A pizza is a pizza for you and me.
Do you want to know how bored we are in quarantine? Lyra bought this entire nail set with a giant thing of acrylic nails, all this crazy shit. Look at this.
Why spend $50 every 2 weeks when you can do your nails at home, baby?
That's insane. She's gonna do my nails, yay! Ooh.
Dehydrator, a prepper. And then we go with the acrylic. Hopefully it turns out good.
Stay back. Stay back. Keep the drip.
Wow.
We got the round bottoms. But stay the fuck back. We ain't trying to get these scuffed. Your boy celebrated with a new song drop, so he bought himself some new Vans.
I like it.
Honestly, your little ass fucking mouth, I bet you fit 4 in there and you start gagging.
Mark. Aww.
I'll go
Well,
Malo
you
for
can
now.
count. You can go.
Two?
I can't stop anymore.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't. Sure.
3.
Blue.
Oh, Chubby Bunny. You gotta say it. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
4.
Four.
Chubby Bunny.
Four. Chubby bunny. Four.
5. Chubby Bunny.
Oh, I just spit my marshmallows out.
Pathetic.
So this is TK. He
Yo.
plays the piano.
I'm a piano player who posts piano videos on TikTok.
Right. So I would like for you to teach me a cute little song on the piano.
We can try something.
All right, sounds good. Let's do it. I just got taught a song. I'm trying to play it now.
She got taught half of a song.
Might mess up, but you're gonna play with me and then I'll pick up. Did I fuck up already? So not only can you just play the piano, but you can listen to a song and then play it right away with
Yeah.
the piano from just listening
Yeah.
to this. Okay, so I'm gonna play you a song,
Yeah.
like a little bit of it, and then you're gonna play.
Yeah.
Okay. down below if you know how to juggle, and if you do, please come teach me.
Just like take number 20.
I gave up, I don't know how to juggle, but they should see you juggle. I know, you're just like really good, you're really talented, and apparently I'm not talented enough to juggle or to play piano. All right, your turn. See what you got. There you go, kids. That's how you do it. I just got to Mark's place, and for his over 400,000 dreams, I got him, you guessed it, a brand new pair of white Vans, baby. Wow. All right, let's go surprise him with it. Yee! What a beautiful freaking day to give my best friend some new white Vans. Am I right or am I right? Mark, where you at? I got you something.
Oh, damn, your views must be popping.
This is a present for all your amazing streams of threesome. So congrats. Keep streaming.
I already know what this is.
No, you don't.
It better be.
No, you don't.
Yes! Them fresh damn Daniels. Yo, this is the best present anyone could ever give me. Literally, I could, if I just had 100 pairs of these, life would be great.
You know what?
Thank you.
Once I become a famous YouTuber, get you 100 pairs of these. Deal?
Deal.
Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
I love me some white Vans.
Yeah, we all know you do.
And you got me, dude, look at you. You got me Vans this week. You got me balloons. Got me these necklaces. Got me pregnant.
You got me pregnant.
Shh. Oh. I hate to break it to you on your vlog, but I filmed this vlog 1 year ago.
Oh, yeah. That's you!
1 year ago, May 14th, before I even invented your oh yeah. Who's copying who?
Didn't, I swear. I did not watch you. I swear I did not copy him.
I'm the oh yeah man.
Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.
Thank you for streaming his song.
I'm gonna get a tattoo.
Yay.
Everyone's gonna be in my description down below, so check everyone out.
We appreciate all the love you guys keep giving us. Keep running up the likes, commenting down below, fucking hitting that bell for notifications. But also, we cannot wait to continue vlogging with all you guys in the future. Ready?
Just a reminder to say bye. Because she forgets.
Hey,
Bye.
Bye!